I'm Jörg Bergmeister, I'm Porsche brand ambassador and development driver. We're here in Clermont-Ferrand today at the Michelin Test Center, and we're here to try out the new Michelin Pilot Sport S5. Definitely a lot more grip compared to the standard tire. It's a proper rain tire with real focus on driving in the rain. Compared to the standard tire, it's definitely a different tread pattern. The whole layout of the tire is focused on wet conditions. The transitional behavior of the tire is astonishing. It's a lot easier to know where the limit is and therefore super easy to handle. In general, the grip is on a whole nother level. Even on this small track, we are over 10 seconds quicker than the standard tire, so that's a different game. I definitely feel more confident with this tire in the rain, and I think in general you can say there's a lot more safety reserves with this tire compared to the standard one. If you take out the car in the rain, it's definitely the tire to go for.